This is our 2026 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. It's going to be featured in the vibrant Mojito Pearl coat. Here at Cross Jeep, we decided to do a few minor upgrades to really set this bad boy off. This is probably one of the first walk-around videos I have done on a Mojito Gladiator. I believe it is one of the new colorways released in the year 2026. Along with the Purple Rain. Super aggressive stance. So let's talk suspension. So we went ahead and upgraded to a 2-inch AEV lift, and the main purpose of that was to really clear these bigger 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tires. And while we were changing out and swapping tires, we went with the 17-inch satin black AEV Borah wheel. Did something a little different on this protection ring. We sent this off and had the protection ring paint to match. So it all coordinates very well with that Mojito green. Giving an interior shot on this one as well. Now, as you can see, you got the AEV Pro Cal. So this vehicle has already been calibrated with the upgraded tire size, and speedometer is reading correctly. Got the cloth seats, cold weather package, got the freedom panels, LED lighting. Open this tailgate up for you. Got the line or the bed liner with the LED lighting in the tailgate or the bed. Awesome build that we just performed here at Cross Jeep. I'm really liking this one a lot. I like the green. Kind of gives me Christmas vibes with the red Rubicon, decal on the hood with the green. I'm gonna call this one the Grinch because it just looks untamed and angry. But yeah, it's going to kind of wrap up today's video. Just wanted to show this build off. I really like this one a lot. It's probably one of my personal favorites next to the Purple Rain builds that we've been performing here. But yeah, just a couple, upfitted performance parts. You got the AEV lift, the bigger tires. Then we upgraded to the AEV satin black Borah wheels. But yeah, this thing is great. I like it a lot. Really like how the paint goes all the way around the grill. Got your vented hood. So I'm assuming this might be a Rubicon X. But all around, this is a super great vehicle. I believe MSRP on this one was around $64,000. We can also go up to the window sticker and check that out as well. $59,000. It's probably, after all the little upgrades and for the upcharge, it's probably about $64,000. Might be a little more, a little less. But all around, this is a great Jeep. If you're just looking for a Gladiator, it's something that pops, stands out. Trail ready, this is the one. So this thing is not going to stick around long, especially with this very unique and vibrant Mojito Pearl coat. But it's going to kind of wrap up today's little walk around video. Just wanted to showcase this awesome build and what our dealership is all about and what we're capable of. And we're capable of a lot more. This is just something, we get a lot of requests on, someone buys a stock Jeep, and this is usually what they go for, the 2-inch lift, bigger tires, and aftermarket wheels. Don't really want to stand for that old boring stock look anymore. But I mean, the possibilities are endless with these Jeeps. We got a great team here. Tyler, he is very knowledgeable about Jeeps and what tire sizes and what lifts will work with your setup, whether that be a Sport or a Rubicon or a Gladiator. because there's a lot of different dynamics that go into, you know, performing these upgrades. But yeah, it's going to kind of wrap up today's video. I want to say thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below. Check out our website, you guys, crossjeep.com. Like I said, this one is available and listed on our website. Just needs to go through detail, and it could be yours. And also, if you're interested, please call me at 502-537-1738. And that's it. Thank you, guys.